Friends, welcome to the year 2045. Let's take a quick look at a day from the future and see what the world has become and what professions will exist 20 years from now. Get ready for the top 10 professions of the new world. Let's go! Number 10 on our list, AI ethics and safety specialist. Imagine this. AI controls hospitals, courts, even your refrigerator. But who makes sure it doesn't become a digital dictator? These people are real philosophers with neural networks tucked under their arms. They test algorithms to make sure they don't discriminate, lie, or hack the world. The science here is machine learning and psychology. How do you make AI human? They also develop red buttons, emergency shutdown systems in case AI suddenly decides that humanity is just a bug. In 2045, they'll be worth their weight in gold, because without them, autonomous systems could turn cities into dystopias. Their mission is to keep us in the saddle before the machines declare themselves gods. Number 9. Metaverse architect. Forget bricks and concrete. These masters build digital worlds. Offices where you work without leaving home, or cities where Gucci sells NFT bags for millions. The foundation is VR, AR, and blockchain technology already being tested by Meta and Epic Games. By 2045, half of the economy will shift into metaverses, and these architects will become the new Rockefellers. They don't just create spaces, they shape where we live, love, and dream when reality becomes too small. Number 8. Space Tourism Guide. SpaceX and Blue Origin are already taking the reach to orbit, and by 2045 it'll be as common as a flight to Dubai. These guides are not just stewards but navigators of weightlessness. They teach how not to panic in a spacesuit and show Earth from 400 kilometers up. Their science is aerospace engineering and adaptation psychology. They will make space accessible, turning a dream into a ticket, dropping from the current $10,000 per kilogram to possibly $5,200 per kilogram. That's the key to affordability. Let's break down the future prices. Here's an approximate price list. Earth orbit $50,000, $100,000, 3 days. Mass tourism thanks to private stations. Moon $500,000, $1 million, 3 7 days. Proximity and bases make it a space weekend. Mars $200,000, $600,000. SpaceX scale and reusability make it available for colonists. Venus flyby $2-5 million. And each tour complex but possible. Europa, Jupiter's moon, $10-50 million. Expensive due to distance and radiation, great for the elite. Friends, the future is calling. Do you want to go to Mars to build a new life, or to the moon just for the weekend? Maybe to Earth's orbit to admire the planet, and for the brave ones, Venus or Europa to feel like pioneers. Where would you go? Write in the comments. Number 7. Neurointerface engineer. Elon Musk's Neuralink is already implanting chips in pigs' brains, and soon it will be our turn. These engineers connect neurons to computers so you can think a tweet or control a robot with your mind. The science here is neurobiology and microelectronics. By 2045, they will give us superpowers, from curing paralysis to uploading knowledge directly into our brains. This is not just a job, it's the evolution of Human 2.0. Number 6. Genetic engineer, biohacker. CRISPR, a powerful genome editing tool, is already modifying DNA, and the masters biohackers will make us resistant to disease and aging. They tweak genes like code in an app. More muscle, better vision, life up to 120 years. And imagine they could switch on regeneration like lizards have. Lose a finger, it grows back. The science foundation here is genomics and synthetic biology, already being tested in labs like the Broad Institute. In the future, they will become the saviors of a society where health is the main capital and heroes to those who want to cheat time. But ethics here is thin ice. Where's the line between healing and creating a superhuman? And when we start ordering babies like pizza with the desired eye color and IQ? Number 5. Robot and AI systems operator. One person, 1,000 employees, from factory manipulators to delivery drones. The foundation here is robotics and AI, like those at Boston Dynamics or Amazon. By 2045, they will be the conductors of an automated world where machines do everything, from cleaning to construction. Their value lies in the ability to keep chaos under control when robots became as ordinary as smartphones. This is not just a job but command over an army of metal assistants. Number 4. Climate engineer, geo-engineer. While politicians argue, these people change the weather, spraying aerosols in the stratosphere to cool the planet, or building dams to fight floods. Their tools are climatology and geoengineering, already tested in projects like Harvard's COPEX. By 2045, they will be the saviors of cities like Venice or Miami, and even entire countries like Bangladesh or Vanuatu. Their job is a battle with nature, and nature we ourselves have angered. Did you know that in 2023, the startup Make Sunset secretly launched sulfur dioxide balloons into the stratosphere over Mexico to cool the Earth? They sell cooling credits at $10 per gram, an experiment outside the law, but it's already happening. Number 3. Human Enhancement Specialist. These masters create exoskeletons for strength, implants for vision and attention, robotic surgical modules. Imagine a tiny drone surgeon implanted in the body, repairing vessels or removing tumors under AI control. The main tools here are biomechanics and nanotechnology, like in DARPA projects. And do you know what's already been tested? Elon Musk's Neuralink startup began human trials of neuroimplants in 2023, not only to treat paralysis but also to enhance memory, the first steps toward Human 2.0. Even cooler, the company Xtapi is developing nanorobots that deliver medicine directly to deceased cells, and in Japan, Cyberdyne is already selling HAL exoskeletons that help paralyzed people walk. By 2045, they will turn us into cyborgs, where surgery is not a scalpel, but a command in an app. Their mission is to give us bodies ready for any challenge, from earthly disasters to life on Mars. Friends, curious to know who will win the tech war for global dominance, China or the USA? Whose AI is smarter, rockets longer, and robots more advanced? Click the video in the top right corner of your screen and find out. It's going to be fascinating. Number 2. Quantum Computer Engineer. Google and IBM have already launched quantum machines, and these geniuses write code that breaks encryption and simulates the universe. Quantum physics and superconductors are already changing the world. Imagine in 2023 the startup Quantanium teamed up with Honeywell to create a system with 20-plus qubits, solving chemistry problems faster than supercomputers. MC Quantum promises 1,000,000 qubits by 2030, using photons instead of wires, like replacing the telegraph with a laser. By 2045, they will accelerate medicine, molecular stimulation in seconds, and the economy, market optimization. This is not just a job. It's the key to an era where ordinary computers become museum relics, and qubits are the brain of the new world. And number 1. Smart City Developer. They design megacities where roads repair themselves, trash disappears into drones, and energy flows wirelessly. The foundation here is IoT, Internet of Things, and big data, like in projects such as NEOM or Sidewalk Labs. Here is a shocker. In 2023, the startup City Zenith launched a digital twin, a virtual copy of Chicago where every traffic light and pipe updates in real time, predicting traffic jams and leaks. Even cooler, in Singapore, they are testing smart asphalt, with sensors that call repair bots automatically when crack appears. By 2045, they will turn cities into living organisms where traffic and smog are just memories. Their work isn't just about comfort, it's about the survival of billions in an age of urbanization, where 70% of humanity will be packed into megacities. That's it, these are 10 professions already knocking at the door. From AI philosophers to space architects, this is not just work, it's your ticket to the future, where humanity will either soar or fall. Choose your role because 2045 is closer than it seems. See you in tomorrow.